I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send with me tonight. I'm on the road.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are taking it back to basics. This is the look I've created. I've gone with a full matte eye, which I know that's surprising for me. I swear every video I've done I've either put a shimmer or a glitter on because I love that. So yeah, who am I today? Is this even happening? But I wanted to do something for you guys that is very easy, very minimal. Anyone can do this and anyone can pull this off. You could wear this to school, to work, to uni, to a date. You could wear it anywhere. This is a very simple look. I only used 4 eyeshadows. I am playing with the beautiful Morphe 39A palette. You don't need this palette to do this look. Honestly, there are so many palettes out there that have brown neutral shades, but what I love about this palette is the browns. They're just the beautiful coffee chocolate browns. So I am using these shades and also this one as well for my eyes. Can we just talk about the elephant in the room? As you can see, I did a thing and I chopped my hair off. So it was pretty much a quick decision, oh, I want to chop my hair off, let's go do it, and I have no regrets at all. I feel like this hair is on trend at the moment, and when I cut it I was like, oh shit, what have I done? But now I actually really like it. So easy to style and my hair feels so much healthier and thicker as well. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've tied my hair back, ready to go, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe M505 brush and dipping into this beautiful coffee chocolate brown shade to start off with. And I'm just going to be placing that all over the crease. And you just want to be really soft with this and do circular motions and also sweeping motions. Sorry if you guys can hear the wind in the background. We have cyclonic winds at the moment. It's crazy. So once that's all blended out, I'm now taking my Morphe M330 brush. And I'm going to be going to the shade just below it, which is a tiny bit darker. And first I'm just going to stamp it on. Just like so. And then just get a little bit more product. And just start spreading that. Really carefully, just blending it. And I'm just going to be doing it basically to the middle of my eye. I don't want it to go all the way over here. So just kind of stopping it there and putting it all in the outer corner. Okay, so I'm now going to dip into this beautiful dark chocolate brown shade. And basically doing the exact same thing, just putting it on the outer corner. And dabbing it on, and then just blending it. And you want to have a really soft hand with these shades. You don't want to be rough with it. How pretty is this? It is so pretty. I actually miss playing with browns. So good to just go back to basics for a change. Oh, it looks so pretty. And then I'm just going back in with the first brush I used and then just making sure that it looks really nice and blended out. So now I'm just going to go in one of these big pans and just take this like matte, I don't know if it's not really like an orange, it's like a warm light brown. And I'm just going to put this on the inner corner. So it's definitely not a cut crease. I'm making this look so simple for you guys. You just want to put that on like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're just going to go back in and blend all that out. Like, how pretty is it? It's just so simple and easy to do, but it looks really pretty. So now I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and I'm also going to apply some lashes, and I'm going to use these ones. These are the Holy Grail lashes in Queen Bee Lights. They are very natural and very pretty. I love how these look on my eyes too, so yeah. So mascara and lashes are on, and now I'm just going to be doing the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is just take that first shade that we use and just glide this under the eye. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the dark shade and just put that on the outer corner. And the eye look is done. How easy is that? So now moving on to lips, and I'm just going for a basic nude lip, and my all-time favorite is the ColourPop What's Your Sign Luxe Lipstick Kathleen Lights collection. And then what I'm going to do is just put this NYX Intense Butter Gloss on top of that too. So this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!